heat pumps of the past, from China and the likes. They look like air conditioning units. Effectively, that's all a heat pump is, just reverse air conditioning unit. And they look like a box, and you're going to put that outside your property. British are quite house proud. It's not necessarily an easy sell to say, put this metal box on the outside of your wall.
Yeah.
What we tried to focus on was making it look minimalistic and quite stylish, so people could be proud of having a heat pump and actually have something as a feature rather than just something that heats your home.